I'm Alan Chen. I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company. And I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on change text in Unity. Uh, so you should always new project on a desktop. So maybe project text create. It's more like I'm creating instant change of text in Unity. Um, so create UI text. So without the buttons, so it can be instant as soon as you play the video game, or change it as anything as you need to with the if and else statements or else if statements. So create new script. So maybe script text. Remember always import using Unity Engine UI. Uh, Click use updates instead. So um, before doing this, just use this script on this. So underneath down here, so this script can control this ob this text scheme object. So it'll be like this. This dot lowercase g game object get component text. Not this one. It's just enter by itself usually. Uh, Text period text dot equal um instant change. It will automatically change as I play this game. Hopefully I spell instant. Yeah, I think I spelled correctly. So this object means pointing to this object as soon as I move this script down here. So make sure I save it. Uh, get component. With this one as well. Remember to put this one as well. Now it's clear off. Show, and as soon as I play it, it's an instant change. So as soon as I click it, instant means as soon as start of the first frame. So instant change. Or maybe it should work when I cut this and paste it down here as well. So it should be instant change as well. It starts just only the first frame. I believe it should work. Yeah, still the same as update because it proves that it's instant in the end. Yeah, so thank you.